Before you can analyze your data, you often need to clean and transform it, and this is where Power Query comes in. Power Query provides a user-friendly interface to perform these data cleaning operations, and you can create reusable queries for consistent data cleaning processes. And by data cleaning, I mean things like remove duplicates, remove unwanted columns, filter to show only relevant data, change data types, replace values, split or combine columns, and sort data. So let's take a look. I'm in Excel, I have a table of data. Think of Excel like a house. You've got all of these rooms, the logical, the lookup and reference, the financial room. Now we want to go into the attic. Go to the data ribbon and go to get data. This section here is called get and transform, and we're going to get data from this table. Now when we choose that option, we get transported into the attic of Excel, and here's a whole new suite of tools for us. I'm going to click into column A, and you can see there's a transform ribbon. I'm just going to fill down. It fills down Auckland until it hits Wellington, and then it fills down Wellington. So simple. Let's try fill up. I'm clicking into the department field. I'll go to fill and fill up. Simple transformations are all recorded on the right hand side under the query settings. Here I'm just filtering out any null values. And now what I want to do is combine the first name and the last name. So here I'm going to add a new column, create from selection, and I'll type in the example of how I want the new data to look. Pauline space Jones, press enter, and it suggests correctly what I'd like to do. I can rename this column. Now I can delete the columns I don't need. I'll select them both and right click. There's plenty of options under right click. And then I'm going to click and drag and drop. Imagine doing this in Excel just to relocate that column. And of course all those steps are recorded, so at any time I can skip back and delete steps, reorder steps, or change steps. Back home I'm going to close and load, and my data is thrown back into Excel as a table format. This is called a query, and it's on a new sheet. Best of all, if I make a change to the original data, let's do something simple like just adding my name in here. I'll put in 12 hours. So the original data has changed. All I need to do is go back to the query, right click and refresh, and it picks up any changes made. Power Query is absolutely magic and can save so much time. If you'd like to know more and you'd like a session on Power Query, get in touch today.